The hidden reason your child makes strange breathing noises at night. The untold truth about unsucked mucus in children. He came into this world with a cry, but something was left behind. The untold story of unsucked mucus. They rejoiced. The baby had come safely. The mother cried tears of joy. The father held him close, whispering thanks to God. A new life had begun. A new journey. A child full of promise. But something was left behind. Something no one noticed. Something silent, but deadly. In the first few weeks, they noticed something. A strange sound when he sleeps. Noisy breathing. A soft rumble like a car far away. Or a bubbling pap flask. They were told, it's nothing. He'll grow out of it. It's adenoids. Maybe tonsils. Maybe you need surgery. So they waited. 1 year, 2 years, 4 years. But the sound never left. The truth no one told them. What their child had was not adenoids, not tonsillitis, not something to wait on. He cannot grow over it. It is unsucked mucus. What happens inside the child's chest? When he breathes in, air rushes into the lungs. It hits the watery mucus inside the bronchial tube. That mucus shakes and burbles just like air pushed into pap. It makes a gurgling sound, deep and constant. When he breathes out, air flows out again. It pushes through the same mucus. The mucus burbles again. This happens all night, especially when the body is calm. That's why the sound gets louder at night. But it can get worse. If not treated, the mucus builds, little by little, until the bronchial tube is blocked. Then the noise will stop without treatment. Don't pray for that, because air is no longer passing through. Next comes chest tightness, gasping for air, wheezing, and panic, a full asthmatic attack. But there's good news. You can clear it. You can stop it. The answer is Zucure. Zucure is a trusted Indian treatment that breaks down mucus, opens the bronchial tubes, stops the noise completely, prevents the child from growing into asthma. Don't wait for surgery. It is not a surgery case. If you do surgery, note it can go bad. Your child's speaker can be affected, and he won't be talking well again. I advise don't try it. Don't wait until it's too late. Let your child sleep in peace. Let your child breathe in peace. Use Zucure. Remove the mucus. Restore the joy you felt the day the child was born. Because every child deserves to breathe freely and be happy.